I would like to ask that any advice from your end that you will try to give to your younger self or to your juniors, that if you have worked on these things, you could have reached where you are more earlier, or you could have done some more things in the career path.
The first one that popped into my mind is whenever you want to do something, like how I joined IITA wanting to get a good technical career. So I suggest you to ask whatever doubts you have at the starting itself, because I didn't have a good exposure with my seniors at the time I started my college. If I had a good exposure, I would definitely ask the questions about these placements, how those go, how the internship, when the internship season would start. I had all those doubts, but I didn't approach any senior. So first one is, I would suggest everyone to approach the seniors or any person who has experience in that career path. So try to resolve those doubts at the starting itself, because you will know in beforehand what's going to happen and what you need to do for that, for you need to get the success in that path.
Yeah.